This conference will now be recorded.
So in the previous session, we have discussed about the various server instances, and we have discussed how Salesforce is allocating the memory space to the customers in the associated regions available server. We have discussed, and for how many customers they're allocating the memory space in each and every server. What are the various servers are available in each and every region, we have discussed. Now let's see how can we verify all the servers information. That already told you in the previous session, Salesforce is maintaining the various servers in each and every region. Like in North America region, we are having the servers NA0 to NA196. Totally 197 servers are available, including backup servers also. And in Europe region, we are having the various servers from EU0 to EU32. Totally 33 servers. So in the Asia Pacific region, we are having the servers from AP0 to AP28. So totally 29 servers are available. So these are the various servers are available in each and every region, which is maintaining by Salesforce. So whenever a customer wants to utilize the Salesforce services, for that customer, Salesforce is allocating some amount of memory space in that associated regions available. So in that associated regions available server, Salesforce is allocating some amount of memory space in that particular server. Now here in this case, how can we see the server's information? Where we can see all the server's information, and then whether the server is up and running fine or not. If there is an issue, today I'm trying to be accessing the application, but I'm unable to access my application. There is some issue, but I don't know the problem is because of my local system or the problem is because of the Salesforce server. How do we know what is the problem? Why I'm unable to access my application? How can we cross-check that? How can we troubleshoot it? So in this case, in order to know whether the server is working properly or not, we are going to be using a website. Salesforce is providing a website. Inside that website, we can able to see all the servers information and their current status also, and their historical status information also. That means historical means what? In the last 7 days, what is the status of the server? Whether server has server has worked properly, or is there any problem in the server during last 2 days, last 3 days, last 1 day? Okay, till last 7 days, we can verify the historical information also. Now, how can we verify that? What is that website? So for that one, we are using a website called as http://status.salesforce.com. We have a website that is called as status.salesforce.com website. So through this website, we can be able to verify what are the various servers are available in each and every region, and what is the current status of the server, and we can verify the historical status of the server, and we can verify the maintenance calendar also for the next 1 year. Suppose if the Salesforce is planning for any maintenance activity, if Salesforce is planning for any maintenance activity for that server in the next 1 year, then what are all those maintenance activities? How frequently they are doing the maintenance activity, on what date they have planned for the maintenance activity, how long time that server will be in maintenance stage. Everything we can able to track that information by using status.salesforce.com website. All the servers information we can track inside this server, inside this website. Let me show you practically how can we track. Now, so let's go to that browser. Use that website status.salesforce.com. Go to the website status.salesforce.com website. By using this status.salesforce.com website, we can able to verify the status of the server, and then what are the various servers are available in each and every region. All the servers information also we can verify, and then along with that we can able to verify the current status of each and every server, and the historical information also we can verify, and then the maintenance calendar for the next 1 year also we can verify that information. That possibility is available. So then how can we verify the status of the servers? Now let's see. Use that website status.salesforce.com. Now click on all. I want to see all the servers information. So click on all in the left panel. Once you click on all the regions of servers information will be getting visible to you. It is populating the instances, nothing but server instances. Now it is indicating the regions information. So what are the regions are there? We have Americas, nothing but North America region, Europe, Middle East and Africa, that means Europe region, and the Asia Pacific region. All the servers information is available over here. Here we can able to see all the servers information. Each and every server status we can able to verify over here. These are the servers. Now in this case, when you verify this one, it is indicating AP0, AP3, AP4, AP5. These are the server numbers that you know that. In Asia Pacific region, we are having the servers from AP0 to AP28. So now here it is indicating the green color tick mark here. What is this green color tick mark is indicating? Green color tick mark is indicating the server is currently up and running fine. The server status is success. Nothing but it is working fine. There is no issue in the server. Then how do we know? Because it is indicating the legend. This is called as the legend symbol given by Salesforce. So now the green color tick mark is indicating server is available. Nothing but server is running fine. No issues inside the server. Now this orange color exclamation symbol is indicating there is a performance issue inside the server. Now this symbol is indicating there is a problem in the server, so that server has been stopped. Now this symbol is indicating currently server is in maintenance stage. These are the 4 statuses indicated by Salesforce. So that here we can able to verify the current status of that server by using this legend symbols which has been given by Salesforce. Now, so let's see that server's information. Suppose, for example, okay, my data is available here. If you want to see only the Asia Pacific region servers, simply select these check boxes here. Here we have check boxes. Select that checkbox. Only the Asia Pacific region related servers will be getting visible. It is having that AP0, AP3, AP4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that up to we are having AP28. Okay, AP28. So these are the various Asia Pacific region related servers are available over here. If you want to see only the Europe related, unselect this Asia Pacific region checkbox, select that EMEA. Only the EMEA related, nothing but Europe related servers we can verify that. So these are the database servers, DB servers are available here. Now we can verify the Europe region servers, starting with the EU0. Now it is indicating that EU7, 8, 10, 12, like that we are having up to EU32. Totally 33 servers are available in the Europe region. Now the next one, Americas. So what exactly the America symbol it is indicating that? Okay, so what exactly that America symbol? So that means it is indicating that this is, okay, this is the North America region servers. So now here when coming to that Salesforce, they're not only offering the services inside the Asia Pacific region and the Europe region. Initially, they have started giving the services from North America region. So that in North America region also they're having so many servers are available. Those North America region related servers information we can able to verify over there. Now, so these are the various servers information here. Database servers are also available. We can see the North America region servers also. Let me verify. Let me show you. Now here, let's see. North America region servers are available up to NA 196. Okay, up to NA 196 are available. Now, in this case, these are the various servers are maintaining by Salesforce in this case. Okay. Now, so now we are having some pod servers here. Okay, production, nothing but these are also the production servers. These are called as pod, means point of deployment. Okay, point of deployment over here. These are also called as the servers which are having some set of features inside this. The background database servers and then application server, these are available inside this pod servers. Okay, so nothing but here, whenever you are going to be deploying some application to run those application, whatever the databases, whatever the application servers are required, all those application servers are available inside these pod servers. Pod means point of deployment. Okay, pod means point of deployment. These are also the servers which are having application servers inside that to run that application. Whatever the application that you have installed inside the servers, so now to run that application, whatever the supporting components, whatever the applications or servers are required, all are available inside this pod servers. Okay, pod means point of deployment. Okay, so now these are the various services are available in each and every region which is maintaining the Salesforce. But these server numbers are not fixed. These are keep on increasing. If 196th server is also full, then it is going to be adding some more new servers also in this region. Like that, these are not fixed. Keep on, these are going to be increasing automatically. So it depends upon the availability of the memory space inside those servers. Now, for example, assume that my server is some AP15. Assume that my server is some AP15. That means for my application, okay, for my application, Salesforce has allocated the memory space inside a server called as AP15. If you want to know the current status of the server, it is indicating. I want to know the historical data, historical status of my server AP15. Why? Because is today morning at 4 o'clock, one of my customer tried to access our application. During that time, he is unable to access. There is a problem in the application. So he has raised a complaint that today morning at 4 o'clock, I tried to access the application. So the application is unable to access. So please look into this issue. But now server is working fine. It is indicating green symbol. Green color tick mark is available, but the customer has faced the problem morning at 4 o'clock. Why the customer unable to access an application morning at 4 o'clock? What is the problem? Is there any problem in the application morning at 4 o'clock? I want to cross check. How can we verify? How to verify the historical data over there? So just click on that server number. Now we can see the server information. It is indicating the current status. Current status, overall Salesforce, overall server status is okay, available, nothing but green symbol. That means it is indicating server is up and running fine. In this server, core services are working fine, search functionality working fine, analytics features are also working very fine, live agent is also working fine, CPQ and billing is also working fine, Einstein bots also working very fine. Artificial intelligence features are also working very fine. So now all the features are working fine, so that these are indicating green color tick mark. So the total overall server status is available. It is working very fine here. No issues. So now I want to see the historical data. So just to go to the history tab. Here we are having history tab is available. If you want to see the history, we can verify. So now how frequently the last 3 days also, last 7 days also, last 24 hours also we can see. Depends upon your requirement. When you verify last 24 hours, it is clearly indicated completely green symbol. That means there is no issue inside the server. All are working very fine. When you select that last 7 days, it is indicating that all are working very fine. No issues here. Now this complete, this is nothing but the time. This is nothing but the time. If there is any issue is there inside that so-and-so date and so-and-so timing, it will be indicating that orange color symbol also over here, so that we can see what is the problem over there. Okay, but the complete line is indicating the green, so that there is no issue in the servers in the last 7 days. Server is working very fine. Now, suppose if Salesforce is planning for any maintenance activity, then I would like to verify that. For this AP15 server, do we have any maintenance activity planned by Salesforce or not? I want to cross check that. Okay, I want to cross check that. Do we have any maintenance activity planned by Salesforce for this AP15 server for the next 1 year? I want to verify. So click on maintenance tab. Once you click on maintenance tab, it is clearly indicating that. So now from June to the next April, nothing but 2021 April, we can see the maintenance calendar. That means for the next 1 year, whatever the maintenance has been planned by Salesforce, that entire information we can see inside this maintenance calendar. Okay, now it is indicating that here. These are the various maintenance schedules. On July 18th, night at 9:30 p.m., Salesforce is giving a new release here. There is a maintenance activity here. Which features are impacting, core services are impacting because of what? Because of a new release. Now, October 17th, okay, October 17th, 9:30 p.m. IST, Salesforce is giving that new release, that is Winter 21 major release. And then February 2021, February 13th, nothing but February 13th, next year, that February 13th, Salesforce is giving a new release, that is called as Spring 21 major release. Like that till okay, the May. Till the May. That means what? From the 2020 June to okay till 2021 May, whatever the maintenance calendar, nothing but for the 1 year. The next 1 year, what are the various maintenances have been planned by Salesforce? Those maintenance information we can able to verify inside this. Now, so now in this case, we can able to verify that information also. Suppose if the server is having any issue, then we can able to track that issues also by using the status.salesforce.com website. Okay, so these are the ways that we can verify the current status of my server also. Okay, these are the various ways that we can able to verify the current status of my server also. That means for my account also, Salesforce is allocating some amount of memory in the associated regions available server, so that we can verify the current status of the server and the historical status and the maintenance calendars. Everything we can verify inside that status.salesforce.com website. Okay, now the next one. This is the information about the server instances and the statuses and the maintenance calendars that we can verify of each and every server also. Next one. The next concept is multi-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant architecture. So what do you mean by multi-tenant architecture over here? What are the various benefits of multi-tenant architecture? What are the advantages that we have on multi-tenant architecture? Now let's see practically in this case. Now, so now first of all, we have to understand what do you mean by tenant first? Tenant in the sense what? Tenant. For example, I'm taking a flat on rent. I'm utilizing a flat on rent. So I'm a tenant or I'm the owner of that flat? I'm a tenant. Okay, I'm a tenant. Now, so now when coming to the tenant over here, what exactly the tenant? Now let me explain. Now, so now in this case, what exactly the tenant basically? What is the use? Now, tenant means the person who is utilizing a resource on rental basis. Tenant in the sense a person who is utilizing the resources on rental. The person who is utilizing the resources on rental basis is called as okay, tenant. I'm taking a flat on rent to stay with my family. I'm using a flat on rent. Every month I'm paying some rental amount to that flat owner. So I'm a tenant. So now in this case here, so multi-tenant means what? Multi means multiple tenants. Multiple tenants. That means multiple people are utilizing, okay, multiple people are utilizing that resources on rental basis. Multi-tenant means what? Multiple people are utilizing the resources on rent. Multiple people are utilizing the resources on rental basis. Those people, that is called as a multi-tenant. Multiple tenants are available. Tenant means the person who is utilizing the resource on rental basis. Now that may be a individual person also, that may be the organization also who is utilizing the resources on rental basis. Those are called as tenant. Multi-tenant means what? Multiple people or multiple organizations who are utilizing the resources on rental basis. Then, what exactly the multi-tenant architecture describes? Basically, multi-tenant architecture describes that whenever if anybody wants to utilize a resource, if any customer wants to use the resource, they don't provide a separate dedicated server for each and every customer. Please provide the shared infrastructure. Yesterday, we have discussed about the concept over here, server instances. We have discussed about the server instances concept. Now this is one server that we have. Okay, this is one server that we have NA0. In that NA0 server, for how many people we are allocating the memory? For 8,000 organizations. That means 8,000 customers are utilizing this. Okay, NA0 server on rental basis. Okay, now NA0 server is utilizing by 8,000 organizations on rental basis. Multiple people, multiple tenants are available here. So that when coming to the multi-tenant architecture provides the various benefits. What are those benefits? Multi-tenant architecture describes how the multiple people can utilize the resources on rental basis. That concept has been introduced by the multi-tenant architecture. Suppose currently when you go to that current situation, when you go to the banks, for example, assume that I'm having the banks in the various branches. Like as in Secunderabad, I am having an ICICI bank. They will be having their own server. The branch-wise server is available. So now in Madhapur, they're having ICICI bank. They're also having a separate server here. They're having their own branch-related server. Now, after in Begumpet, they're having a separate branch. ICICI branch is available. They will be having their own server. That means what? Each and every branch is having its own server. So at that time, if the more number of branches are available, more number of servers are available. So at that time, maintaining those many number of servers is very, very difficult. So for that one, don't maintain the multiple servers. Please use the single server over here, and then we can able to allocate the memories for each and every customer. So that concept has been introduced by multi-tenant architecture. That means multi-tenant architecture describes how the multiple people or the multiple organizations can utilize the resources on rental basis. Okay, now, so in this case, when coming to the multi-tenant architecture provides some benefits. Okay, it is providing some benefits. What are those benefits? First benefit is shared infrastructure. Shared infrastructure. So what do you mean by shared infrastructure? Whatever the infrastructure resources, nothing but whatever the servers are available, whatever the storage space is available, whatever the memory space is available, performance features, security features, and then backup and restoring facilities, disaster recovery management facilities, all these resources we can share across the multiple customers also. We can share across the multiple customers also. That means what? Don't provide a separate server for each and every customer. Make that server resources can be utilized by multiple people. That means shared infrastructure. So multiple people can able to share those resources over. So now this is the first benefit offered by the multi-tenant architecture. Now, second one, only one platform at a time. Only one platform at a time. What do you mean by only one platform? What do you mean by only one platform at a time? Only one platform at a time means, suppose for example, so these are the 8,000 organizations are available. Now, for example, today Salesforce is giving a new release. Today, for example, Salesforce is giving a new release over here. Whenever Salesforce is giving the new release, these new release features will be applicable to whom? Only to the paid customers. That means who are paying the rental amount to Salesforce only for the paid customers or free customers also. In this case, Salesforce is going to be not differentiating the customers. Even though he may be a paid customer who is paying the rental amount to me, or he may be a free customer who is utilizing my account on free of cost, like as a free developer account also, free account also. In this case, so now he may be a paid user, he may be the free user. Both are my customers only. Salesforce is not differentiating the customers. Of course, you may be paying some money. Of course, he is utilizing a rent, but both are my customers. So as an organization, it is my responsibility. I need to make my customers happy. I need to make my customers satisfied. So in this case, okay, I would like to provide the resources to all the people, okay, to all the people. So in this case, whenever Salesforce is giving a new release, only one platform. That means what? Whenever Salesforce is giving a new release, that new release features will be applicable to the organization 1 also, organization 2 also, organization 3, organization 4, organization 5, and the 6 up to all the 8,000 organizations. Irrespective of the customer, he may be free user, he may be paid user also. Everybody will be getting the latest features. So that's what here in Salesforce, we don't have any, okay, older version, newer version concept. Older version, newer version means what here? For example, assume that when you go to that normal personal systems, okay, normal systems, like as some MS Office. Assume that, okay, assume that myself and Ramesh, we both are having two systems. Ramesh is having his own laptop, I'm having my own laptop. Both we have purchased a laptop on the same day. 1 year back, Ramesh and myself both went to that a showroom and we have purchased two laptops. One laptop has been purchased by Ramesh, second one has been purchased by myself. Now both are having same configuration, same features, same price. Since almost 1 year, we are using that same laptops. Ramesh is using his own laptop, I'm using that my own laptop. In our both the laptops we are having MS Office 2010 version of that MS Office is available. We are using that MS Office software. It is working very fine. There is no issues. Now, recently, Microsoft has given that latest version of MS Office 2014, which is having some latest features. Very good features. Now, in this case, here, what needs to be done? MS Office is purely on license based. MS Office is purely on license based. So Ramesh has invested some amount. He has purchased the latest version of that MS Office. He has installed in his system. He is utilizing that features. But I'm not able to do that much of investment. I don't have that much of money, so I'm not investing that much of amount. I'm continuing with the older features itself. Ramesh is using latest features. I'm continuing with the older features. That means older version, newer version is there. But in Salesforce, there is no such kind of concept. There is no such kind of concept over here. Whenever Salesforce is giving the new releases, it may be winter, it may be spring, it may be summer, these new release features will be applicable to all the users. He may be utilizing free account of Salesforce, he may be utilizing paid account of Salesforce also. Everybody will be getting that latest feature, so that there is no concept of older version, newer version in Salesforce, so that always only one platform at a time. Okay. Only one platform.
Sir, one question, sir. Like if everybody is using the same thing, the free version people are also getting the same upgrades. What is the use of buying the things, sir? Like, what is the use of
Now,
buying
in this case,
Salesforce?
yeah, good question. Okay, she has raised a good question here. So now, suppose if Salesforce is providing the same features on free account, then why should we go for the paid account? So now in this case, okay, now here in this case, for example, presume that you are also having internet access. I am also having internet access. Okay, we both are having internet access. You are having 100 Mbps plan. I am having 10 Mbps plan. You are also able to access the internet. I'm able to access the internet. But you are getting higher speed. You will be getting more downloading capacity. I'm getting very low speed. I'm having 10 Mbps speed. You are having 100 Mbps speed. Depends upon your plan. So in this case, what happened here? You will be getting that more downloading capacity. I will be getting less downloading capacity. So now in this case, what happened here also, you may be a free user, you may be a paid user, you will be having similar features are available, but bandwidth will be different. Bandwidth will be different over here. If it is a free user, in per day, I can send 300 emails. If we have paid account, we can send 20 lakhs emails per day over here. That means bandwidth will be different. He is also able to send emails. I am also able to send emails, but I can send less emails. He can send more emails over here. Now, next one. So now he will be having more storage capacity. I will be having very less capacity over here. Nothing but storage space is very, very less. Okay?
So the
storage
features
space is very, very
will
less.
differ for the paid users. You are saying
Yes,
like
yes. For
the
the paid
features
users,
yeah.
features will be same. Features will be same, but bandwidth will be the more available for the paid
Bandwidth.
users.
Okay.
Yes.
Bandwidth in the sense like can you
That's what I have
please?
explained to you. That's what I have explained to you. So now you can also send the email notification. I can also send the email notification. Assume that you are a paid user. I am a free user. I am able to send the emails up to 300 max per day, not more than that. You can send maximum of 20 lakhs emails per day. Okay, this is called as bandwidth. Bandwidth means more capacity that we can able to use. Okay, understood the concept here?
Yeah. Thank you.
So now here in this case here. So now only one platform at a time. Only one platform at a time means what here? When coming to the Salesforce, whenever Salesforce is giving a new release, it may be summer, it may be winter, it may be like a spring. Whenever they're giving the new release features are applicable to both paid users as well as free users also. Everybody will be getting the latest features. So there is no concept of older version. Everybody will be in the latest platform only. Everybody will be in the latest version only here. That is one of the major benefit in Salesforce. That is one of the major benefit in Salesforce. Why? Because is, for example, let me explain one general scenario. Generally, when you go to some other softwares, like as SAP, Oracle, Siebel, whatever, anything, whenever you are taking some training in any of the institute, it may be online, offline, whatever, whenever you are taking the trainings, then they will be giving the training on trial versions. Because institute people won't buy the licensed version. They can't invest that much of huge amount. They will be giving the training on the free version over here, free trial account. But there you will be having very less features. But when you get a job, we have to work on the licensed version in the organization. Then you will be having more features. Then people is having some difficulty. People is having some doubts in their mind. Like I have taken the training on older version. That is a trial version also, very less feature. So tomorrow I am going to joining the company because they got an offer in the company. So there I need to work on the licensed version. There they may be having more features. Then how can you work on that? These kind of questions the people will be having in their mind, but in Salesforce, there is no such kind of concept at all. No older version, no newer version. Always everybody will be in the latest platform. No concept of older versions here. Okay. So now in this case, that is one of the major benefit in Salesforce. Whatever the account that we are using, free developer account, whatever the features that we have in our account right now, when you go to the company also tomorrow, same features are available, no change at all. Because here also the same features, there also the same feature. Here also the same release, there also the same release, no change at all here. So that here, there is one of the major benefits in Salesforce that is called as only one platform at a time. That means whenever Salesforce is giving a new release, everybody will be on the latest platform only. Okay, everybody will be on the latest platform only. There is no concept of older version, newer version concept in Salesforce. Everybody will be on the latest platform. This is one of the major benefits. Next, the third one. Third one is zero cost improvements. Zero cost improvements. What do you mean by zero cost improvements? Improvements means what? New releases, new features. It may be summer, it may be winter, it may be spring, any release. Whenever Salesforce is giving a new release to you, then do we need to pay any additional amount to Salesforce? No, that already told in the last session itself, in the previous session itself, what are the new features are giving by Salesforce, these new features are on free of cost. Okay, these new features you can able to access on free of cost. Salesforce is not going to be charging any additional amount over here. New releases will be available to the customers on free of cost. We no need to pay any additional amount. Okay, we no need to pay any additional amount to get the latest release features. Those will be available to you on free of cost. This is one of the major benefit in Salesforce, so that here what are the new features are available, we can able to enjoy the benefits of latest features on free of cost without making or without paying any additional amount to Salesforce. Now, in this case, Salesforce is providing the new features to you on free of cost. Next one. So now the next feature is automatic upgradations. Automatic upgradations. So what do you mean by automatic upgradations? Now, here we can raise a question. Sir, suppose for example, today July 18th, assume that today is July 18th. Today Salesforce is giving the new releases. That is summer 20 release. Now, so do I need to install those updates into my local organization? No. Whenever Salesforce is giving the new releases, those new release features we no need to install manually by our own. We no need to install those updates manually by our own. Those new release features will be applicable to your account automatically by default. Automatic upgradation, your account will be getting upgrading. Okay, your account will be getting upgrading from the spring to summer automatically by default over here. Your account will be getting upgraded automatically from spring to summer automatically by default on July 18th night at 9:30 p.m. to 9:35 p.m. IST. Between that 5 minutes, your account will be getting upgraded automatically by default. So that no need of any human interactions over here, that will be automatically upgrading by Salesforce itself. These are the 4 major benefits are available as part of your multi-tenant architecture. So because of this multi-tenant architecture, now one single server resource can be sharing across the multiple customers. And then whenever they're giving the new releases, those new release features will be applicable to all the accounts automatically by default. And the two, those new release features will be applicable to each and every organization free of cost. Salesforce is not charging even one additional rupee also. They're not charging even a single rupee to provide the latest features. Those are available and free of cost. And the two, those new features are going to be upgrading into your account automatically by default. Okay, now. So now here in this case, now. So now here in this case, whenever we are going to be using this Salesforce account, automatically the account will be getting upgraded whenever Salesforce is giving new releases over there. These are the 4 benefits of multi-tenant architecture. This is also called as multi-tenancy in the cloud. It is also called as multi-tenancy in the cloud. Is also called as multi-tenancy or multi-tenant architecture. Both are same. Just the terminology different. The people will use. Some people will be referencing like as multi-tenancy. Few people are utilizing like as multi-tenant architecture. Okay. So these are the various benefits are available as part of your multi-tenant architecture inside your Salesforce instance. Now let's see the one more concept here, editions. The editions of Salesforce. So now when coming to that Salesforce, they're providing the new features, they're providing their licensed accounts in the various editions. Salesforce is providing the various editions of accounts. We'll see what are those editions and then what features are available in each and every edition. We'll see one by one. So what do you mean by an edition? Edition is nothing but a collection of features. Collection of features. Edition is nothing but a collection of features which will be providing by Salesforce to the customers. Edition is nothing but a collection of features which will be giving by Salesforce, okay, which will be giving by Salesforce to the customers. They're collecting a group of features. They're going to be farming that group of features as an edition, and this edition they're providing to their customers so that customer can use that edition. They can utilize all the features available inside the edition, and they can able to automate their business processes also. So when coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce is providing the various editions. Okay, various editions. Now, so now as part of these editions here, we are having two types of editions are available. Two types of editions. First one, paid edition. Second one, free edition. We have paid editions are available. We have free editions are also available. Now, so in this case, we can raise a question. Sir, these editions are available only in Salesforce? No, everywhere. In every software, you will be having some editions. Let me explain. Suppose, for example, assume that I'm having the Windows 7 operating system. Now tell me, do we have any editions in Windows 7 operating systems? Do we have any editions in this Windows 7 operating system? Yes, so many editions. What are those? Because Windows 7 Basic Edition. Okay, Windows 7 Basic Edition. Second one, Windows 7 Home Edition. Third one, Windows 7 Professional Edition. And then we have Windows 7 Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition. And then we have Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. Ultimate Edition. These are the various editions are there in this Windows 7 operating system. Everybody is using Windows 7 only as part of their personal PCs. It may be desktop, it may be laptop. But in the system you're using the Windows 7 operating system, as part of this Windows 7, we have so many editions are available here. Like as Windows 7 Basic Edition, and then Home Edition, Professional, Enterprise, Ultimate, where Basic Edition is providing less features, Home Edition is providing some more additional features, Professional is having some more advanced, and then Enterprise some more advanced, Ultimate is giving more features to you. Like that, we have the editions not only in Salesforce, everywhere. Whatever the softwares are available in our real world, all those softwares are having the various editions. Okay, now, for example, assume that. So when I go to meeting over here. So every day we are using this go to meeting. In order to join the sessions, we are using this go to meeting here. When you go to the go-to meeting, also here also we are having the various editions are available here. Okay, we are having the various editions. Like we are having the professional, which is having the cost of some $12 per month. Okay, $12 per month. $12 per month. This is the cost. 150 people can join that. Now there is another one, the business. This is the second edition, which is $16 per month. Okay, $16 per month. Third one, enterprise. Okay, enterprise here. Here we can able to join almost 3,000 people can join that meeting over here. Here 250 people can join. Here 150 people can join over here. Like that, they're going to be having the various editions. Here they're giving the difference over here between the professional edition, business edition, enterprise edition. What are the various differences are available? Feature wise, they're giving the differences also over here. So these editions are not only in Salesforce, everywhere we have these editions also over here. Now, like the similar way, when coming to that, okay, when coming to the Salesforce also, they're providing that Salesforce software, okay, in terms of the various editions. So edition is nothing but a collection of features. Edition contains a collection of features which can be accessible by the customer. Okay, edition provides a collection of features which can be accessible by the customer. Now, so now here in this case, as part of the Salesforce, they're having two types of editions are available. First one, paid editions. Second one, free editions. What do you mean by paid edition? Paid editions are nothing but if you want to use this edition of features, then we have to make some payment to Salesforce. We have to pay some amount to Salesforce on monthly rental basis. Okay, you have to pay some rental amount to that Salesforce. If it is a free edition, then you can able to take that software on free of cost. We no need to make that any payment over here. We no need to pay any amount to Salesforce. We can take that software on free of cost. Now, so in this case, as part of these editions, we have two types of editions are there. Paid editions and then free editions. Paid editions means we have to pay the amount to Salesforce. That means we have to pay rental amount to Salesforce. Free editions means these are free of cost. Free of cost. Okay, we can access. We can access on free of cost. We no need to pay any amount to the Salesforce. We can able to utilize this edition features on free of cost. Then in this case, what are the various of paid accounts are available? What are the various of free accounts are available in Salesforce? When coming to the paid accounts, we have 4 paid accounts are available in Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce provides 4 paid accounts. 4 paid accounts. These are also called as the 4 paid editions. The first one, Salesforce Essential Edition. Salesforce Essential Edition. Previously, this is also called as a Group Edition. Now, the second one, Professional Edition. Previously, this is also called as Lightning Professional Edition. Lightning Professional. Third one, Enterprise Edition. Previously, this is also called as Lightning Pro Enterprise. Formally. Previously, this is also called as the Lightning Enterprise. Previously, this is called as Lightning Enterprise over here. Now, previously, this is called as Lightning Professional. And the fourth one is Unlimited Edition. Previously, this is also called as Lightning Unlimited Edition. Lightning Unlimited Edition. Okay. No. Previously, this is also called as Lightning Unlimited. These are the 4 types of editions are available as part of paid accounts from Salesforce. Salesforce is providing 4 paid editions. First one is Salesforce Essential Edition. This is also called as Group Edition previously. Previously, this is also called as Group Edition. Now it is called as Salesforce Essential Edition. Second one, Professional Edition. Previously, this is called as Lightning Professional. And the third one, Enterprise Edition. Previously, this is also called as Lightning Enterprise. And the fourth one, Unlimited Edition. Previously, this is also called as Lightning Unlimited. Now, these are the 4 paid editions are available. Then how much amount Salesforce is charging for each and every edition? And then for which kind of features they're offering in each and every edition, let me explain. Okay, now, the first one, Salesforce Essential Edition. No. So in this case, as part of this Salesforce Essential Edition, now this edition is providing the basic CRM functionalities. Okay, it provides the basic CRM features for the organizations which are having maximum of 10 users, which are having 10 users. Basically, this edition has been designed for some small organizations. Basically, this edition has been designed by Salesforce for small organizations or the startup organizations which are having maximum of 10 employees, which are having maximum of 10 users who can access this account. So that this edition has been designed by Salesforce for small organizations who can access only the basic CRM functionalities. That means in order to automate your customers' information, whatever the basic features are required, only those basic features will be available. Okay, in order to automate your customers' information, whatever the basic features are required, only those basic features will be available as part of this edition. You won't get any additional features, nothing but no customizations, no platform, no Apex programming, no Visual Force programming, no integration, nothing. Simply configuration, only that configuration features, ready-made features, that's it. You can't develop your own features by your own. There is no such kind of facilities. Whatever the basic features they have given to you, just you have to use that basic features over here. Okay, so that's what here it is indicating that Salesforce Essential Edition is providing the basic CRM functionalities, very limited features which they are offering to their customers, okay, which can be accessible by maximum of 10 users. Now, in order to access this particular edition, then for each and every user, we have to buy a separate license. We have to buy a separate license over here. So that for each and every license, now the pricing is that charging okay $25 per month per user license. For each and every user license, nothing but every user should have a license here. Okay, every user should have a license. Like for example, come to a scenario. Assume that. Come to a general scenario. Assume that we have a small family. Okay, we have a small family. In that family, we have 4 family members, like father and mother, and then 2 sons are available. Okay, 2 sons. All the 4 people will know driving a car. They have a car in their home. Okay, they have a car. Only one car is available. All the 4 people will know the driving. How to drive that car? Okay, these people will know. All the 4 people will know. Father also know the driving, and the mother also know the driving, and then both the kids are also know the driving. So all the 4 people will know how to drive the car. Now tell me, how many driving licenses they need? Only one for entire family, or 4 driving licenses for each and every person? That means every person should have a separate license. Every person should have a separate license. Of course, those people maybe belong to the same family, but the person who is driving the vehicle on the road, that person should have the license. All the 4 people should have the driving licenses. One driving license is not sufficient. All the 4 members should have the driving licenses. Like the similar way, I have a Salesforce account. Okay, I have a Salesforce account. That means organization. Here we have 4 users are available here. Here we have 4 users are available. Like as user 1, user 2, user 3, and the user 4. 4 users are available. Then 4 users should have 4 licenses separately. This is how Salesforce is avoiding the piracy concept in IT industry. This is how Salesforce has avoided the piracy concept in Salesforce. There is no concept of piracy. Okay, depends upon the number of users wants to access that edition, those many number of licenses you should have. Each and every user should have a separate license. Okay, every user should have a separate license. With that license only we can able to access that application. Without the license, we can't enter into the Salesforce application. We can't access the features here. That's how Salesforce application has been secured. Application itself is a secured application over there. Salesforce application itself, a secured application. Other people can't touch, other people can't enter into your application without your permission. So that everybody should have a proper license. So in this case here, okay, now here in this case. So whenever if you want to buy the license of this particular essential edition, then each essential edition license cost is $25 per user per month. Suppose, for example, if I'm having some 5 users out there, then we need how many licenses? 5 licenses. Each and every license cost is what? $25. So that $125 they have to pay per month. $125 per month. Because if the 5 people wants to access that application, then 5 licenses they should be aware of. They should be aware of 5 licenses over. No. So in this case, as part of the Salesforce Essential Edition, Salesforce Essential Edition has been designed by Salesforce with very limited features, okay, which will be having only the basic CRM functionalities for maximum of 10 users organizations. Only for the small organization, they have designed this Salesforce Essential Edition. Okay, now the next one, the second edition over here. Now, the second one, professional edition. So now professional edition is going to be providing the complete CRM functionalities, complete CRM features for any team size. That means if you're having some 100 users are there inside your organization, 100 employees are there, all those 100 employees wants to access this application, then at that time you can go with that, okay, lightning professional or professional edition. Simply we are calling it as professional edition. So professional edition is going to be offering the complete CRM functionalities, okay, marketing features, sales features, service features, all the features they are going to be offering over here, but no platform over here. Okay, no platform. Okay, no force.com platform. That is no customizations. No customizations. We can't access that force.com platform with this edition. Okay, force.com platform is not available as part of this edition here. You will be getting only the CRM features, like as marketing features, sales features, service related features we can able to access to automate your customers' information, but there is no force.com platform at all. So in this case, how much they are going to charging over? Salesforce is charging $75, okay, $75 per month per user license. That means each and every user licensing cost is $75. Each and every professional edition license cost is $75 per month per user license. That means each and every month that user should be paying that $75 to Salesforce. In order to make it renewal, we have to pay that $75 to the Salesforce every month. Then automatically your license will be getting extended or renewal so that we can be able to access the application for the next 1 more month again. If you want, we can able to pay that 1 year billing also at one shot. That facility is available. Next, enterprise edition. As part of this enterprise edition, they're providing the complete CRM functionalities. They're providing the complete CRM functionalities along with force.com platform also. Okay, they have included force.com platform. That means you will be having the topics programming, you will be having the Visual Force programming also. Okay, that means we can do the customizations also over here. We can do the required customizations. So what are the custom functionalities that you want, everything we can able to build by using this enterprise edition. So from enterprise edition onwards, only Salesforce has introduced force.com platform. So what is this force.com platform? Force.com platform is used to build our own custom applications, banking, finance, insurance, everything. So in the entry point of view, they will raise a question. I want to develop my own application, a banking application I want to develop. Now tell me which kind of edition that we need to use. The minimum edition which we have to use. Suppose if you want to develop your own custom application, then we need some Force.com platform, right? Yes, Force.com platform has been introduced from where? From Enterprise Edition onwards. So minimum you have to buy Enterprise Edition onwards. Either Enterprise Edition or Unlimited Edition also. Because Force.com platform has been introduced from Enterprise Edition onwards. In the previous two editions, in the Essential Edition, in the Professional Edition, you don't have any customizations. We don't have any Force.com platform concept. Only features are available. Ready-made features are available, which we can able to operate through mouse pointers. Now, so whenever if you want to use this Enterprise Edition, then each and every Enterprise Edition cost. Each and every Enterprise Edition cost is they are going to be charging $150 per month per user license. Okay, $150 per month per user license. So they are going to be providing $150 per month per user license. Now, so next one, unlimited edition. So now here in this case, Salesforce is providing the unlimited CRM functionalities, unlimited CRM features, and then they're providing the Force.com platform, and then they're providing integration facilities, and we are having the app exchange facilities, and then you will be having the unlimited support for 24/7. Okay, and 24/7 you will be having unlimited support from Salesforce. Whenever if you're facing any issue, then you can contact Salesforce support also on 24/7. That facility is available over here. Now, so in this case, what happened? Salesforce is going to be providing, Salesforce is going to be providing the unlimited edition, which will be having unlimited functionalities, unlimited applications we can develop. Okay, we can develop unlimited custom applications. We can develop unlimited custom applications. Unlimited number of custom applications you can develop. One banking application, one finance application, one manufacturing, one healthcare, like that unlimited number of applications you can develop. But for this one, in order to use this one, they are going to charging some amount. Each and every unlimited edition cost is $300 per month per user license. Each and every unlimited edition license cost is $300 per month per user license. So each user, if you're having 10 users, then per month we have to pay $3,000 to Salesforce. Next month again $2,000 or $3,000. Next month $3,000, like that. Every month we can make it renewal. So these are the various editions offered by Salesforce as part of paid. Nothing but we have to make the payment in order to use this edition features over here. Then how much storage capacity will be giving by Salesforce over here? Okay, how much storage capacity will be giving by Salesforce over here? So now here in this case, now storage space. As part of storage space, we are having two types of storages. First one is data storage. Data storage means records. Second one, file storage. That means files, documents, etc. Files, documents, etc. Now, so in this case, how much storage space will be giving by Salesforce over here for each and every edition? Now let me explain. Now, in this case over here, if it is only professional, if it is an edition like as essential edition over here, if it is an essential edition, they will be having 10 GB of data storage. Okay, they will be having 10 GB of data storage. And then what is the file storage? File storage will be 1 MB. Okay, file storage will be 1 MB over here. So 1 GB. 1 GB of file storage. Nothing but whatever the files, documents, images, pictures, audio files, video files, which you are going to be using inside your Salesforce application, the combination of all those files, the maximum storage capacity will be 1 GB over here, not more than that. Now, the next one, professional edition over here. For this professional edition, data storage will be 10 GB and the file storage will be 10 GB. Okay, data storage will be 10 GB, file storage will be 10 GB of space will be allocating by Salesforce over here. Now, for enterprise edition also, they're allocating 10 GB of data storage, 10 GB of file storage. 10 GB of data storage, 10 GB of file storage. For the unlimited edition also, so for the unlimited edition also, you will be getting 10 GB of data storage, 10 GB of file storage will be getting available over. These are the various storage capacities will be given by Salesforce. Now, in this case, you can raise a question. Sir, I'm using unlimited edition. My data storage 10 GB has been full because since almost 3 years, I'm using this Salesforce account. Keep on, I'm storing the data. Now, as of now, this 10 GB has been full. Then what we can do? Can we expand the memory space or not? Yes. So whenever we are creating the Salesforce account, by default Salesforce is allocating the memory space, nothing but 10 GB. This 10 GB has been full, then we can able to expand the memory space also. Yesterday I told you that last point as well. So whatever the memory space has been allocated by Salesforce upon creating the Salesforce account, that memory space we can extend. Whatever the space they have given to me, if that space is full, if the space is full, then we can expand that memory space also by contacting Salesforce, by purchasing some additional storage space, by paying some additional amount to Salesforce. By paying some additional amount to Salesforce, we can able to buy the additional storage space also, so that we can store some more data inside. That facility is available over here. Okay. Now, in this case, in the entry point of view, there is a common question. So now whenever you are going to be going for interview, they will raise a question. So what kind of edition that you are using for your project? What kind of edition that you are using for your project? For your current project or in your current organization, for your Salesforce project, what is the edition of Salesforce that you are using? Are you using because essential edition of Salesforce, or professional edition, or enterprise, or unlimited? So 99% of the organizations are using unlimited. So say confidently, these are the small questions. Generally, nobody will discuss all these things. Simple, they will explain about this editions only, simple concept. But they won't give this information. In the entry point of view, they will raise a question. So now what kind of edition that you're using for your project in your current company? So now you can say unlimited edition. 99% of the organizations are using unlimited edition because it is providing unlimited support, unlimited number of custom applications you can able to develop by using this unlimited edition. So that here, we can say confidently for our current project, for our previous projects also, we have used unlimited edition of Salesforce. Okay, we have used unlimited edition of Salesforce. Then they will raise the question, what kind of features are there in unlimited edition? What is the licensing cost? Then you can explain this one. As part of unlimited edition, we will be getting unlimited CRM features also. We can have the force.com platform, integration facilities, app action facilities, unlimited support from Salesforce on 24/7 also. We can develop the unlimited number of custom applications, n number of custom applications we can develop. All these facilities are available as part of unlimited edition. So confidently you can say in the entry point of view, so for our current project, we are using unlimited edition of Salesforce. Okay. These are the 4 editions has been given by Salesforce by default here as part of paid editions. These are the 4 paid editions are available over here. Whenever if you want to use this edition features, then we have to buy the license by paying this amount to Salesforce. If it is essential edition, $25 per month. If it is a professional, $75 per month. If it is an enterprise, $150 per month. If it is an unlimited, $300 per month. Then let me show you that one practically over here. Inside that, the Salesforce website. Now, I'm indicating this. Salesforce editions and pricing. Salesforce editions and pricing. Now let's see. Now, so now as part of this Salesforce, they are going to providing this particular 4 editions: Essential Edition, Professional Edition, Enterprise, and then Unlimited. Okay, Essential, Professional, Enterprise, Unlimited. Now, so in this case, they are going to be indicating over here. All-in-one sales and support application. Only okay, 2 applications are available: sales application and the service application. So for that one, they are charging $25 per month per user license over here. And then the professional edition, they're providing the complete CRM functionalities for any team size. They're charging $75 per month per user license. Enterprise edition, now they're going to be providing 4 platforms so that we can able to customize. So they're charging $150 per month per user license. And then the 4th one, unlimited edition over here. As part of this unlimited edition, they're charging $300 per month per user license. They're providing unlimited CRM power and the support also. These are the 4 types of editions are available, but in the entry point of view, say confidently, we have used unlimited edition of Salesforce for our project over here. Okay, say confidently here. Don't change the answer. We are using for unlimited edition of Salesforce for our current project. Okay, these are the 4 paid editions has been given by Salesforce. Now, tomorrow we'll see how can we create our own free editions here. How to create that free account of Salesforce, we'll see practically tomorrow, which is having almost equivalent features like as your unlimited edition. But here we are having data storage is 10 GB. There you will be getting 5 MB. Okay, 5 MB only over here. Okay. Now in that 5 MB you can store some lakhs of records. Okay. In that 5 MB of storage we can store lakhs of records also. Then how to create that free Salesforce account, we'll see practically in tomorrow's session. From tomorrow onwards, we are entering into the practical part. As of now, we are done with the theoretical parts over here, background process. Once you open the Salesforce account, once you create the Salesforce account, you will be able to see the whole information over there. You will be having the complete clear picture over there. Okay, what were the concepts we have discussed as of now? All the concepts information we can see inside that Salesforce application. Okay. So tomorrow we'll be having the session at same time. So you will be having the new meeting link for the tomorrow session. Okay. So this for tomorrow's session, you will be getting a new meeting link from the management people. If anybody did not get the meeting link, then you can contact the Capital Info management people by sending the email or by contacting the people, okay, based on that mobile number also. Okay. For tomorrow's session, we'll be getting the new meeting link.
Quick question, sir.